Good evening, Melrose Elementary School students. This is Mrs. Lundy, and I am so excited to welcome you to Earth Day and to our Science Virtual Family Night. We're going to be guiding you through making your very own bird feeder, and we're going to be sharing which items that we've sent home so that you have what you need, and we're also going to share with you what will not work tonight because we want everyone to be successful. So your final project tonight is going to look like this, what Miss O'Quinn is holding. You're going to have a little bit more bird seed to put in your feeder than she has, but you can see she has a 20-ounce bottle, just a regular drink bottle, 20 ounces, and we've provided the other items for that. Now, there are some bottles that will not work, so if you have a 16-ounce water bottle, Miss Morgan is showing you that will not work to create your bird feeder. So two things you need to know. You need a 20-ounce drink bottle or a 2-liter bottle. We have provided the cap that will go on to your bird feeder. It also is going to have the handle. We'll be showing you how to do that in a little bit. And we have also provided you with some bird seed to put in your feeder. Now, you're going to need the bottle, and you're going to need a pair of scissors or possibly a knife, but only if you have a parent that's with you to do that with a knife. So let's get started. Do you have your items? The first thing you're going to do is you are going to screw on the lid that comes that we sent home with you. Then you're going to twist the piece on the edge. I really don't have a clue what that's called, boys and girls. Sometimes we don't know all the answers to our questions. You're going to take that off and lay that to the side. Then you're going to tip your bottle over, and you're going to get your scissors or your knife with a parent, and you're going to poke a hole in one side of your bottle, and then you're going to twist it, and almost identically on the other side, you're going to twist another hole. Then you're going to put the handle in those two holes. And boys and girls, this can be a little bit tricky. You might need a parent to help you. They may need to help you make your hole bigger. Miss Lundy actually needs to make her hole bigger. And as you can see, mine is not perfectly straight. That's okay if yours isn't perfectly straight. It still will hold my bird feeder when I put it out in the yard. Boys and girls, one last thing. When you finish your bird feeders, or actually before you put the bird seed in, if you wanted to decorate your bird feeder, you can always decorate it. You can take the label off of the bird feeder, and once you get it like this, you could put stickers on it. You could color it probably with a permanent marker if you have permanent markers at home. You might could even paint it, but only with your parents' permission and with their help with that. But boys and girls, it's yours to make as you choose. Make it as pretty as you'd like. So now, boys and girls, you'll turn your bottle over, and there's a little cap at the end of your bottle, and you'll pull that cap out. And Miss O'Quinn is actually going to come and help me to put the bird feed in. So if you have a piece of paper, you can get that piece of paper and make your own funnel, or if a parent has a funnel that you can use, I may have called it a cone earlier, whatever you can find to work. And Miss O'Quinn is going to hold that. You probably need someone to help you because you might spill your bird seed if not. And then you're going to slowly pour your bird seed. And boys and girls, we did not give you enough bird seed to fill your bottles, so moms and dads, you will have to purchase some more bird seed, but this is enough to get you started. Then you're going to put the cap back on your bottle, and when you turn your bottle over very carefully, your bird seed is going to come out in the bottom of your bird feeder. Hopefully you can see that little bit of bird seed at the bottom. And then you can go and hang your bird feeder out on a tree or a hook, or maybe on your deck if you have a deck of your house. And boys and girls, to make this project a little bit more exciting, we are encouraging each of you to get outside and enjoy nature. We hope that you'll sit outside or maybe at a window and watch to see what birds come to your bird feeder. And if a bird comes, maybe you can borrow a parent's phone or a camera if you have a camera, or a tablet if you have a tablet, and take a picture. And take a picture of the birds that might come to your bird feeder. Everyone has different birds that come to their yards, and we are excited to see what birds your bird feeder might attract to your yard. After you get those pictures, you can send them to me at my email address, llundy@my.putnamschools.org, or you can post them on our Parents of MES page or our Melrose Elementary School page. We're excited to see what you did for the environment. And boys and girls, one last thing, we wanted to let you know that with this being Earth Day, not only are you doing a great thing for the animals, but you're recycling materials. And it's important to remember that you recycle things every day, and there are so many household items that we use and that we have at our homes that we can use to create really neat things to help our world. We hope you've had fun tonight, and we can't wait to hear about it tomorrow at school and to see your pictures of the birds that come to your yard. Have a great evening.